We're all about castor oil, nature's gift. Castor oil is a vegetable oil. It comes from the castor bean. The castor bean plant is native to Africa. It is now grown in many warm climates around the world. Castor oil has a long history of use. Ancient Egyptians used it for its medicinal properties. Today, it is gaining popularity for its health and beauty benefits. Castor oil is a versatile oil. You can use it both internally and externally. It is important to use only cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil. This ensures the oil's purity and effectiveness. The powerhouse of benefits. What makes castor oil special? Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid. This unique fatty acid is responsible for many of its therapeutic properties. Ricinoleic acid has anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce pain and swelling. Castor oil is also a natural moisturizer. It can soothe and hydrate dry skin. Its antibacterial properties can help fight acne and other skin conditions. Moreover, castor oil is known for its hair benefits. It can promote hair growth and strengthen hair follicles. It can also add shine and luster to dull hair. Healing from within. Medicinal uses of castor oil. Castor oil has been traditionally used as a laxative. It can relieve constipation and promote bowel regularity. However, it is essential to use it in moderation for this purpose. Castor oil can also boost the immune system. It can help the body fight infections and diseases. It is believed to have antiviral and antifungal properties. Furthermore, castor oil can reduce joint pain. It can be applied topically to relieve arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. It is important to consult a healthcare professional for dosage and application. Incorporating castor oil. Consumption and application. Castor oil can be consumed orally. The recommended dosage varies depending on the individual and the condition being treated. It is best to start with a small amount and gradually increase it as needed. Castor oil can also be applied topically. It can be massaged into the skin or used as a carrier oil for essential oils. It is important to perform a patch test before applying it to a large area of skin. For hair care, castor oil can be applied to the scalp and hair. It can be left on overnight or rinsed off after a few hours. It is important to use a gentle shampoo to remove the oil. The castor oil pack. A soothing therapy. A castor oil pack is a traditional remedy for various ailments. It involves soaking a cloth in castor oil and applying it to the affected area. To make a castor oil pack, you will need cold-pressed castor oil, a piece of flannel or cotton cloth, a hot water bottle or heating pad, and plastic wrap. Instructions. First, fold the cloth into several layers. Next, soak the cloth in castor oil. Then, place the cloth on the affected area. Cover the cloth with plastic wrap. Apply heat using a hot water bottle or heating pad. Leave the pack on for 30 to 60 minutes. Finally, remove the pack and cleanse the area. Castor oil is not only beneficial for skin and hair, but also supports liver health and the lymphatic system. It helps detoxify the liver, promoting better digestion and overall health. Additionally, castor oil aids in lymphatic drainage, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system. Regular use of castor oil can enhance the body's natural detoxification processes, leading to improved well-being. Imagine a life where your liver functions at its best, filtering out toxins efficiently. Envision a robust immune system, standing guard against illnesses. With regular use of castor oil, these benefits are within reach. Embrace this natural elixir to support your body's vital processes and achieve a healthier, more vibrant you. Conclusion. Embrace the power of castor oil. Castor oil is a versatile and beneficial oil with a long history of use. Its unique properties make it a valuable addition to any natural health and beauty regimen. Whether you are looking to improve your digestion, enhance your skin, or promote hair growth, castor oil offers a natural solution. Embrace the power of this ancient remedy and experience its transformative benefits firsthand. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.